if you are dieting, I'm warning you beforehand, do not watch this video because this video is going to be extremely delicious and cakey because today we are visiting a cake factory. I'm Katyayani Kapoor, come with me. Today I have come to this mini cake factory where not one but lots and lots of cakes are made each day. So here we have Shubhi, who is the owner of Cookie Dough. So Shubhi, from where do we begin?
We'll begin from the raw material. So we have the premium quality being used, and we have the nuts, the berries. What we use in our cakes, they are all fresh, and we don't use any artificial flavoring or preservative. Next, we have the fondants ready.
The cake making process begins with making the batter, and based on the order, the size of the cake mixer machine is chosen.
We'll begin with the mixing process where we make the sponges. So this is the procedure.
Your orders, you would have different demands.
Yes.
So does the size of your machine varies as you order?
So this is the smallest version we have. We have big ones for 10 kg, 15 kg. According to the requirement, we start the mixing. So this is the smallest one here.
The smallest mixer here makes 8 to 10 cake base at a time, made not from the pre-mixes but from scratch. Shubhi, the batter is ready and I think the main part now begins, which is the baking.
Yes, come let's see. So this is our commercial oven, and I think at a time we can bake 15 sponges, approximately 15.
The batter is poured into baking pans based on the quantities required and baked in these industrial ovens. In cakes like these, icing is not really needed, but for the ones required, icing is made in different flavors. This time, I was about to witness the creamy and luscious chocolate ganache in making.
Fresh cream, the butter, we heat it up, and then we have two varieties of chocolate. This is the dark and this is the milk. So we use 50% of each.
Wow, this looks so luscious. I just have one question. How do you actually kind of control your cravings? When you come over here and you see so much of, yummy delights into making.
You are coming for the first day, otherwise we are like, no, we can't have any more chocolate.
While my DOPs and I were swooning over the heavenly smell of baking and chocolate, it was just another day of business at this mini cake factory. The cake is baked, the ganache is ready, and now we are coming to our favorite part, which is the icing on the cake. Come with me.
Basically what we do here is every soaking of the sponge, if suppose it's a fruit cake, then we make real fruit compote and then we do the soaking. So no sugar syrup is used in our cakes.
With cakes being made in bulk here, there is a commendable finesse and patience these chefs develop, making each cake special every single day.
So this is our ready product. Now it will go to the counter for chilling.
Well, my eyes are really feasting on this and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to try it now. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.